Hello, I welcome you to the S2R show, and today is 20th of November 2020. And people who are watching this video first time, just to inform them that we do live trading, we do intraday trading, and we also do options writing. So in one account we do options writing, and in one account we do intraday. So we also do a comparison between the outcomes of the intraday trading and options writing. So we have always been advising that one should do options trading or hedged trading, but still we because a lot of people do intraday trading, so we also show the outcome of intraday trading. So let's see what we have done today. Okay, so we have sold Reliance, we have bought, sorry, Reliance 200 quantity in intraday, and this is our angel account. So let's go to net position. So we have a loss of 600 rupees around, and let's go to our Zerodha account, and what's their position. Okay, so we have a strangle here, option strangle in Nifty. We have sold 12,300 put 3 lots, and 13,200 call 3 lots. So we are at loss of around 300, and in angel account also we have a profit of around 200 rupees. So let's see how it goes. So stay tuned to the channel. So we daily post videos, sometimes in 2-3 parts, to show you what happened. Stay connected. Thank you.